Hello student of class 11, this is the fifth video of AP. Sum number 23. 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square minus 6 square plus dash up to 2n terms. This equal to, find the sum of the terms. 1 square plus 3 square plus dash plus n square and minus 2 square plus 4 square plus dash plus n square. So we have up to n terms. We have write it to n terms. This to n terms. This equal to, we can write it 2r minus 1 whole square. This is the summation of here r equal to 1 to n, and this is 2k whole square summation r equal to 1 to n. I can write it, if I expand 4r square minus 4 plus 4r, minus 4r plus 1 r equal to 1 to n minus 4k square r equal to 1 to n. This equal to 4 r square r equal to 1 to n minus 4 summation of r equal to 1 to n plus r equal to 1 to n into 1 minus 4 k square k equal to 1 to n. This and this cancel out because this is 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square. This is 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square. 4 are cancel out. This equal to minus 4 summation r equal to 1 to n minus this equal to r equal to 1 to n 1. We know 1 plus 2 plus dash plus n, this equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this equal to minus 4 into n plus 1 by 2 minus, this is equal to n. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is up to n. 2 cancel out, n is common from here, n is taken common from here, minus n. So we have minus 2n minus 2, this is not minus 2n minus 2 plus 1, this equal to n minus 2n minus 1. This equal to minus n into 2n plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next sum. The perpendicular of a right angle triangle, sum number 24. The perpendicular of a right angle triangle is 9 cm and the three sides are in AP. Find the integral value of the length of the hypotenuse. Sides are in AP. So I can write, let the length of three sides of a triangle be a minus d, a plus d. Hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is a plus d. This is the longest side and longest term. From Pythagoras theorem, we have a minus d whole square plus a square, this equal to a plus d whole square. From here we can write 2ad plus d square plus a square equal to a square plus 2a d plus d square. D square, a square, d square, a square cancel out. So 4ad equal to a square. So a equal to 4d. Right. Here one side is A, so A greater than 0, that means D also greater than 0, right? Let the perpendicular be, most important thing is, if A minus D is perpendicular, A minus D is perpendicular, then A minus D equal to 9. So A equal to 9 plus D, that means for D equal to 9 plus D, that means 3D equal to 9 and D equal to 3 and A equal to 12. For D equal to 3, A equal to this. Then three sides are A minus D 9, A plus D 15, and when perpendicular is A, that means A equal to 9. So 4D, we know A equal to 4D, that means 9 equal to 4D, we have D equal to 9 by 4, right? This equal to 2.25. So hypotenuse A plus D, this equal to 9 plus 2.25, this equal to 11.25. But here it is given three sides are an integral values. Most important things, find the integral value of length of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is integral value, so we have decimal value, so it is not possible value. So we have, this is the correct answer. All sides are, three sides are respectively 9, 12 and 15. 15 is the length of hypotenuse. Okay, I am ending here.